Hi guys, this is Toby from CJdropshipping. One of the best ways to generate a good income nowadays is to make money online. I will say no more and jump into 9 ways to make money online from home. First, start a dropshipping business. The main idea behind dropshipping is that you create your own store and find a product supplier that will handle all orders and ship them properly. This means you just have to handle your store. The supplier will help you with everything else. It is one of the best and simplest ways to make money online right now. On top of that, you have a variety of different options to pursue, and the experience itself can be a pretty impressive one. You just have to take into account for the best results, and you will appreciate the outcome all the time. Finding the right supplier can be challenging, since you need a professional supplier that has a lot of experience in the industry. Company like CJdropshipping gives you a lot of experience in this field, and the value is always among some of the best on the market. What really matters is to ensure that the supplier can fulfill your orders. Once you know that the supplier can connect to WooCommerce, Shopify, Shopee, or Lazada, things will be a whole lot easier. The most important aspect is making sure that you generate a good income, and if you manage it correctly, nothing can stand in your way. It will lead to an incredible experience and outstanding result. One thing to consider when it comes to dropshipping is the complexity of your store. When you want to make money online this way, a very good idea is to start working on a smaller store and then up the ante from there. It certainly helps quite a lot, especially if you are great at marketing. Experiment with a product, then go onward with others, and you will be more than okay every time. Second, start a social e-commerce business. This is a new but mature business model by sharing products to your social media and gain instant sales at home. But speaking of doing business at home, it sounds impossible for those who have no experience in this field. The complexity of managing stores online or the high learning curve is an invisible wall to those who want to give it a try. Barriers like an initial investment, time, skills, and knowledge of doing business via the internet stop people from even stepping into the field of doing business. However, there is an online platform called WeD2C that is able to remove all these barriers and helps people to earn money by selling products online at home. It has a low threshold to learn, and everyone with internet can start making money immediately. From students to retired people, if you have a passion for making money at home, then you should give it a try. WeD2C stands for We Direct to Customer, which means you sell the products directly to the customer by skipping all the complex processes involved in the traditional business model. You don't have to worry about finding supplier, renting a warehouse, hiring customer service team, because WeD2C provides all the service, and all you need is to advertise the product you are going to sell from WeD2C. Number 3, day trading. Trading on the forex market and stock markets in general is a very good idea if you have knowledge in this field. But don't expect to just enter the market and become a millionaire. You can make money online this way, but the truth is that you need patience and a lot of focus. It does take some time and effort to become great on the stock market. First, you need to learn the ropes. You need to see when and how stocks tend to increase and decrease in value. You want to make sure that you avoid any possibility issues that can arise. And you also need to focus on generating the best possible approach naturally. It helps a lot if you focus on growth and you know what you are getting into. Accessing the best system in place can really help you more than you might imagine. And in the end, that can be an incredible experience. Try to use that system adequately And remember to practice. Many stocks websites where you can start trading have a practice tool for virtual trading. You should use something like that all the time, as it gives you a good idea of what you can expect and what results you can obtain. It might not seem like a whole lot, but it will make a difference, and that's exactly what you want to go for. Number 4, sell your photos. If you love taking pictures, then it makes sense to start earning online via selling pictures. There are a lot of stock photo websites that you can use to showcase your work and sell images there. It can help a lot, and you will be incredibly impressed with the value and the experience every time. That means you need to invest money in a good camera, and you want to have proper editing software too. Most of the time, you can't sell pictures without editing them to make sure that they look perfect. Thankfully, there are plenty of cameras out there for you to choose. Although you may want to get a DSLR unit, since these are offering the best quality and clarity that you may need. It is important to take your time with this and adjust accordingly for the best results. On top of that, you also want to find a website where you can sell your images. Websites like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Photoshelter are a great option, and they will provide you with a rather impressive experience and lots of value for money. Once you do that and create great pictures, you are good to go. Number 5, copywriting. Copywriting is the art of promoting business. Through the power of words, you can make a substantial amount of money with the right business contracts and knowledge. Again, this is the type of work that requires a lot of attention from your side and plenty of work. You will need to take some courses and find the right way to accumulate money online. It has the potential to really take things into the next level. If you do it right, the great thing about copywriting is that this is a great freelancing topic and one that will bring in a very good return on investment if you tackle it correctly. You can also work with companies from all over the world too. It doesn't matter as long as they need English copywriting and you are vetted in this field. You will be good to go. Just focus on that and you will find yourself getting a much better return on investment than you realize. Make sure that you always improve and brush your skills for the best results. That's what will give you amazing results in the end. It is also possible to focus on proofreading or editing if you have these skills. Number 6, online tutoring or create your own course. Teaching other people about topics that you already mastered sounds great, and it can be very lucrative from a financial standpoint. The best thing you can do here is to take your time, study the market, and see how you can tackle everything in a proper manner. Ideally, you want to make sure that you find the right tutoring jobs. So try to advertise on a variety of tutoring websites like tutors.com, tutorme.com. There are a lot of tutoring opportunities, and you can cover English, other languages, or more specialized topics. It is also a good idea to create your own online course on a platform like Udemy. This helps a lot because it allows you to showcase your skills and teach people, while also being able to make money online passively. Yes, here you just need to record yourself, edit the videos, and then upload the content. You will be making money for every view you receive, and that's really helpful. You will certainly appreciate the results and value provided this way, and the quality certainly shines thanks to that. It is one of those things that you do not want to miss. Number 7, write your own ebook and publish it online. Ebooks are a hot commodity. A lot of people love reading them, and if you write great ebooks, you can make quite a lot of money. The best thing that you can do is to take your time, create high-quality ebooks, and publish them on Barnes & Noble, Amazon, or other similar website. The challenge here is that you will find a lot of books on that topic. So the best approach is to take your time and pick the right topic, something that you can't find anywhere else. A great, unique ebook can sell quite well if you price it properly. The truth is that people want to learn something new all the time, or they just want to unwind and read a relaxing book. Just try to make sure that you pick the right ideas and creating a unique book. Once you do that, things will be a whole lot easier. And that's exactly what you want to go for in a situation like this. Number 8. Start a blog. Yes, blogging can be very lucrative and you can make money online with it. The truth is that blogging can give you a really good return on investment, especially if you stick to it. Granted, it will take some time to build up a great blog, but if you know how to do it properly and work hard to achieve it, you will get there. Blogging is cool because you get to write about anything you want. It's your own little space on the internet where you can share ideas, educate others, and inform them. You can place ads on your blog to make money online, or you can start affiliate marketing. Basically, here you promote your products created by others in your content, and when people buy that item, you get paid a commission. It is one of the best options on the market to make money online from home. And it totally works for most people. On your blog, you can also have paid posts from other people. You can also sell your own ebook or any other item like that. It works nicely and people love this system because it brings in front a very good set of ideas. You do want to check it out for yourself and the payoff can be great. Number 9. Run a YouTube channel. Posting videos on YouTube is also very lucrative. The truth is that you can get a very good return on investment just by enjoying the games and having fun. It is a very cool, fun game to enjoy, and you can have an extraordinary return on investment if you handle it in the right way. That means posting content almost daily, finding a lot of great ideas for your audience, communicating with them, and also helping them as they need it. There are multiple methods to make money on YouTube. That can be from advertising, from sponsorship, or via selling your own products if you want. You are also not limited when it comes to what you want to talk about. You just need to be consistent, stick to the YouTube guidelines, and just provide it good value. It can be well worth it. As you can see, there are tons of ways to make money online. You just need to find the right options to suit your needs, and the payoff can be great in the long run. We recommend you to use these tips if you are looking to make money online. Just make sure that you stick to it. Take your time and you will be incredibly impressed with how much you can earn just via working from home. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. We will see you in our next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.